How do I fix the issue of SIM not provisioned on my device?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common problem many of us face with our mobile devices, the SIM not provisioned error. We'll delve into the reasons behind this error and, most importantly, guide you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive right in, and remember, if you face any difficulties, always refer back to this guide.
What does SIM not provisioned mean?
When you see the SIM not provisioned error, it essentially means that your mobile device is unable to establish a connection with the carrier's network using the SIM card. This could be due to various reasons, such as, the SIM card is not activated, the SIM card is not properly seated in its slot, the device is locked to a different carrier, network issues or outages.
How do I fix the error?
1. Ensure the SIM card is activated. If you've recently received a new SIM card, ensure that it has been activated. This might require calling your carrier or following instructions that came with the SIM card. 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your device. Carefully remove the SIM card tray. Check the SIM for any visible damage. Reinsert the SIM card, ensuring it's properly seated. Turn on your device and check if the issue is resolved. 3. Try the SIM in a different device. If you have another device available, place your SIM card into it to check if the problem persists. This will help you determine if the issue is with the device or the SIM card. 4. Network settings reset. Go to your device's settings. Navigate to network and internet or its equivalent. Look for an option to reset network settings. After the reset, check if the error is resolved. 5. Contact your carrier. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, the best option is to reach out to your mobile carrier. They can provide specific instructions or inform you if there's an ongoing network outage.
How can I prevent this in the future?
1. Regularly check for device updates. Updated software can often prevent network-related issues. 2. Handle your SIM card with care. Avoid touching the metal parts, and don't bend or scratch it. 3. Get a protective case. Some cases come with a better grip on the SIM card tray, ensuring it doesn't accidentally pop open. 4. Stay informed. Always be aware of any network maintenance or updates from your carrier. That's a wrap on how to solve the SIM not provisioned error. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful in addressing the problem. Always remember, when in doubt, your mobile carrier's customer service can be a great resource. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you have a seamless mobile experience.